Good morning, students. Welcome to the computer class of 7th standard. Today, we are going to discuss lesson number 1, computer hardware components. So, open your book and page number 6. The objectives of this chapter are anatomy of computer, internal hardware, external hardware, input devices, output devices, and storage devices. And today we will discuss anatomy of computer. Computers are electronic machines that perform specific tasks according to a set of instructions or programs. Earlier, computers were used mostly by scientists and engineers for complex calculations, and they were costly too. But nowadays, computers are used in almost every field like education, industry, entertainment, and medical field. It has virtually become a need in every sphere of life. Now, let's discuss some key terms related to the topic. Hardware, the physical parts of a computer which we can touch and feel. And software, a set of programs which controls the operations of a computer. What is anatomy of computer? Anatomy means structures. Means that which things are used to make a computer. There are two things, hardware and software. These are the hardware parts of computer that perform operations. And these are some softwares that are used to perform a particular task on computer, and they work according to the user's instructions. Hardware can be further classified into two categories, internal hardware and external hardware. Internal hardware are the components which are installed within the CPU. See, these are the parts of CPU, and without these parts, CPU will not work, like RAM, processor, power supply, etc. And these are the external components of the computer which are attached to the computer externally, like monitor, speaker, microphone, mouse, keyboard, and system unit. Now we will discuss types of software. Software can be further classified into two main categories, application software and system software. Application software are the softwares which are used to perform specific type of work on a computer. Like we use Mozilla Firefox as a web browser, Adobe Photoshop to make editing in photos, Paint to make drawing in a computer, and Microsoft Word to type and edit the documents. And system software are the softwares which control the overall activities of computer. Like you have installed Windows 7, Windows 8 or Windows 10 on your computer, and computer perform the features according to the Windows that you have installed on your computer. So students, we can say that hardware and software are interdependent, and without any single part, computer cannot work. Like if you want to do work on a computer in MS Word, firstly you want some hardware parts of computer, and if you don't have software in your computer is useless without that software. Students, let's take an example of music player. If you want to use music player but You are not using Bluetooth, cassette or any CD or DVD or pen drive. Your music system will not work. You will not able to listen any type of music in your music system. In the same way, computer hardware and computer software are complementary and cannot act independently. Essentially, computer software controls computer hardware. In order for a computer to effectively manipulate data and produce useful results, its hardware and software must work together. So students, today you have learned about anatomy of computer and how the different parts of computer works. So revise this topic again for better understanding. Thank you.